बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जून 9 2024 के अखबार में। केमिकल सेंटर रिक्वायर्स एनर्जेटिक diligent field staff BSc/MSc chemistry/microbiology to promote our products in industry/hospitals. Mail chemicalcenter@yahoo.com. Call 031541423449 031541423449. A company required male/female candidate for indoor marketing and must have knowledge digital marketing of office work. Send cvmst.enterprise@hotmail.com. Seeking dynamic individuals with strong networks in Karachi and Islamabad real estate markets. Responsibilities: acquire clients, sell Islamabad inventory, find Karachi properties. Extensive travel presentations, must be professional, knowledgeable in property legalities. Salary up to 80,000. Contact 03077867252 03077867252. We are hiring female sales marketing manager position, young energetic female. We are leading importer distributors of famous international brands and beauty skincare products in Pakistan. Extending our business cosmetic range to aesthetics clinics and various other potential industries. Qualification and experience: relevant experience of 2 to 3 years cosmetic products, fresh MBBS BBA aesthetics. B pharmacy degree, medical field professional business degree shall be preferred. Good sales marketing skills, handle customer on timely manner. Must computer literate, MS Office. Timings 10 a.m. till 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Salary details shall be shared upon shortlisting. Handsome salary plus allowance plus commission. Please send your resume/CV to HR department with recent photo. व्हाट्सएप नंबर है +923090394931 +923090394931. ईमेल esthemex.pk@gmail.com. लोकेशन DHA फेज़ 5 कराची. मेडिकल की जॉब है. A doctor general practitioner is required for a clinic in Sadr area for 3 hours. For 3 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the evening. Interested doctors to send their CV with experience and salary demand by 8 to June. भाई 9 जून को तो अखबार आया एंड में. 0300 9226606 0300 9226606. अशफाक _कोठारी@hotmail.com. A renowned diabetes hospital, Bakai Institute of Diabetology and Endocrinology requires number 1 PGRMO. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ FCPS Part 1 passed. 2 years contract ब्रैकेट क्लोज. number 2 staff nurses, general nursing diploma ब्रैकेट क्लोज. male and females preference will be given. nearby residents apply to plot 122 11B नाजिमाबाद नंबर 2 कराची. hr@byte.edu.pk. Applications required for FCPS residency program. Applicant must be FCPS 1 clear in OPS/Gynae. As per CPSP requirement, MCPS residency program in OPS/Gynae. As per CPSP requirement, MCPS residency program in pediatrics. As per CPSP requirement, a tertiary care and post graduate teaching and training center recognized by CPSP, PMDC and PNC. Please forward CV to HR department at Kharadar General Hospital, Aga Khan Road, Kharadar, phone number 32510113, phone number 32510113 2116, extension 173, email kgh.hospital@gmail.com, kgh.hospital@gmail.com. Last date of submission of application June 18th, 2024. Burhani Hospital welcomes you to join our team on following openings: pediatric surgeon, 3 years post fellowship experience; new neurologist, 3 years post fellowship experience; radiologist ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल, FCPS/MCPS; sonologist 8 PM to 10 PM, 5 years experience; senior medical officer, 3 years post graduation experience; senior accounts officer BCom/ACCA with 5 years experience; pharmacist, 2 years post graduation experience; एक्सरे टेक्नीशियन ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल, पोर्टर्स डॉट सिक्योरिटी सर्विलियंस कोऑर्डिनेटर. इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स में शेयर देयर अपडेटेड resume via email career.burhanihospital@gmail.com. Note: kindly mention position title in subject line. Lady doctor required. An experienced general physician ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल is required in Binte Noor clinic at Mausamiyat near Al Jadid supermarket. Nearby residents will be preferred. Contact 0312845426, 0312845426. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 034627691171, 034627691171. ईमेल allamafhhf@gmail.com, allamafhhf, F for fun, H for house, fhhf@gmail.com. RIMS Trauma Hospital requires service of RMO evening and alternate night for RIMS Bahadrabad at Khalij Tower. Interested candidates can WhatsApp CVs on 0306260545, 0306260545. Email cvs@careers.rth@gmail.com, rth@gmail.com. Safi Hospital seeks a skilled radiologist, adept in CT, X-ray and ultrasound imaging, holding FCPS in radiology. Position available for daily mornings, gazetted holidays and Sunday evenings. Please email your updated resume to hr@safihospital.com. .bk or contact us at 0213678940, 0213678940, extension 160. Sonologist doctors required morning/evening. Ummul Shifa Medical and Diagnostic Center, Mahmoodabad 6 near Sitara Bakery opposite Cafe Atak Restaurant. 0345600997, 0345600997. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0326600997, 0326600997. The Kidney Center Post Graduate Training Institute is a leading tertiary care institute that provides comprehensive care to patients with renal diseases under one roof. We invite applications from interested and suitably qualified candidates to fill the following positions: resident urology. New revised salary: applicants must have passed FCPS Part 1 surgery and aligned and fulfilled the requirements of general surgery 2 years as specified by the CPSP. Deadline June 15, 2024. Resident nephrology. New revised salary: the applicants must have either passed FCPS 2 medicine or FCPS 1 medicine and allied and fulfilled the requirements of general medicine. 2 years as specified by the CPSP. Those who have passed IMM will be preferred. Deadline June 24, 2024. Interested candidates fulfilling the above criteria should send their CVs to dppgtrc.coordinator@kidneycenter.com and careers@kidneycenter.com by the mentioned deadlines. Please mention the position applied for in the subject line, or you can submit it to the Human Resources Department for inquiry. Telephone number 0213566100, 0213566100, extension 271. The Lady Dufferin Hospital, one of the largest women's hospital of Pakistan, having 300 beds and specializes in obstetric, gynecological and neonatal pediatric services. The hospital seeks to hire for the following positions: experienced sonologist, MBBS with DMRD/MCPS/FCPS, diagnostic radiology, and minimum 3 years of relevant experience in a reputable hospital. Duty hours 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Postgraduate trainees FCPS 2 obstetric and gynae passed, FCPS 1 in obstetrics and gynecology, labor room in charge, diploma in nursing with valid PNC license, and midwifery training with at least 3 years experience of LR in a reputable hospital. Please share CV at careers@ladydufferinhospital.org and mark the position in subject title of email. Sales, chemical sales specialist wanted, science graduate with 5+ years of experience selling chemicals to food and pharma industries, proven sales record, strong chemical knowledge and excellent communication skills required. Build client relationships, identify new opportunities, and meet sales targets. Male, female both can apply. /apply now. info@shahmeerint.com, info@shahmeerint.com, or contact 0300 893 0300 893 एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0324289988, 0324289988. A well-reputed cooking oil and Banaspati company is looking for smart and committed sales executives. Best career opportunity, earn up to ₹1 lakh per month, commission based job. Just call, close and earn. We believe in only hiring the best. If you truly believe you can do it, here's what you need to do now. Apply at hrmg719@gmail.com. Call us 033324708889, 033324708889. A trading company deals in industrial supplies. They need sales manager. Candidate should have at least 8 years experience in generator, ball bearing, compressor, and HVAC items. Contact hrg4353@gmail.com, hrg4353@gmail.com. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।